discuss about base template first. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. See what they are saying, like there is a common file appblade.php, okay, where they have mentioned all those things. Okay, so these are the example, like sample of app.base.file where their theme was simply written. Okay,
Yes.
let me show you how we have done. So see, if we go navigate to resource view, okay, vendor shop. So see, there is a file. Here their file. Okay, so it was like basic structure, correct? So what we discussed, like we will not touch their existing, we will create a replica. Okay, so I copied this folder from vendor and put it here in resource section. Okay, and this one is our main master template. You see, this one is our master template. So it's same like app.blade.php. Okay, see they have Aimeos header, Aimeos style, these sections, and script, right? And here our base script. You can see Aimeos header, Aimeos style, right? This is like how we are generating dynamic menu. Okay, and here are like top search navigation. Here basket section. You know, here is the main block. Okay, so it's the same structure what they have explained and we have followed the same. Okay, so here it's like view.app.blade.php, but since we have copied whole layout, we have copied whole structure from vendor. So see this section vendor, you can see this one, right? So this section we have copied from vendor and put it here. So it's a replica of base. It's a base.blade.php is replica of app. Okay.
This now our it's under the resource vendor is replication. Am I correct?
See what we have done. We have created different design. Correct. So for account, for admin, for basket, for catalog, for checkout. See all pages written here. So we had not touched their core files. We have created a copy of their structure and we work over here. Okay. Even if we have to override their code, then here we have to work on vendor section. Vendor section here you will get Aimeos. Okay, Aimeos Laravel source. See, it's the same section they have mentioned here as well. You got it?
This is the their vendor, right?
Yeah, it's
Where is
like
the shop? Where is the shop which you shop me? Shop Laravel.
yeah, it's a standard structure. Okay, but we can't. We did not touch their standard structure. If you will remove this section, okay, so it will work automatically their standard section. Got it? So we have override it. Okay, so we have modified this area, everything. So this one is our latest base structure. Okay, and if you talk about catalog, then see there is a different section like detail page, list page, stock. You know. Oh, now I'm doing compare and I can show you. See here, this is like Aimeos vendor section. Okay, if you go to listblade.php, they have simply extended. Okay, they don't have any extra division HTML. So they don't have anything, right? You can see here, correct?
Yes.
But in our code, see, we have everything. We have written, we have injected HTML as well, right? Wherever would be needed, we have injected all dynamic component. HTML section as well. See, we are showing this filter in sidebar. We are showing list in this right section, you know. So we have modified accordingly. So the way they have explained, we have followed the same, and there is no any other way. Okay. So
Mhm.
second thing is, creating a new page. Okay. I hope now you got like how adopting a base template works.
Uh-huh.
You got it right.
Yes, yes, I got it.
Okay, so we have not done anything extra. What was their approach? We did it. See, even we can work on their existing, but if you remember, we realized like no, we don't need to touch their existing. We need to create a replica. So easily we can make for other clients as well, right?
Yes.
So that's why I created a like extended version in resource section. So here, if we modify all HTML, then we can make it live for any other client as well. Okay.
Uh,
So I hope this concept is clear to you, right?
yes, but could you open the first link which I shared with you?
Yes, yes. Here is it. Create new page.
This is the create new page. Okay.
Yes. Now,
Uh,
now we have used this approach for home page. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So see what they are saying. Adopt your controller. So what they are saying, just create a new controller and just put like this to call header and body. Okay.
Yes.
So see, if we have done in HTTP section controller and home controller. Okay. See, this was there. Let me, if I remove this section, see, this one is the same. Okay. It's the same approach. We have called extra element because we would be needed for dynamic elements. Okay. Now coming down in index section, see they have used index action because it was used in old Laravel. Okay. Nowadays it's getting called automatically. So instead of writing index action, I can write index as well. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
simply it works. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now coming back to this section, like how does it work? Like they are calling header and body. Okay. So see here we have written config, shop, page, my page, AI and AI body. You can see it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So see, if I go to config, here is a shop, and shop there is a my page section. Here I have introduced like this page contain catalog, search, basket, mini, catalog session, local select. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
these components are getting called on home page on the top. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the same. And the remaining part is like internal content we have written here and we are calling directly. So it's the same. See, they have explained like this, right? Here, see, everything I have done the same the way they have mentioned. Suppose my page, I'm getting called in like home page. So my page is here, and I have called these components here: basket, mini, catalog, session. But we would be needed local select, so I have added local select, catalog, search on the top. You know,
Mm-hmm.
it's the same. That's all.
Okay, Raj, here, could you go back again? For me, interesting, there are two things, IE header and IE body, right? And if they are saying, if where we are calling the action to show categories, right? To the new on home page, because this system you wrote, it's a manual, but it's saying just make a call action, right? From their sourcing. Could you go to our home page? How we are
What
showing 8.
whatever component is ready-made. Okay, so see this component is ready-made by Aimeos. Okay, So we can use anywhere. Okay, but what is the custom requirement? Suppose we have to show product listing. Okay, so there is a two approach. Either we can write here, or we have to write in Aimeos block way. Like we have to create proper Aimeos style blocks or component. Okay, and we call like latest products, and we can call it.
So yes, for example, could you show me again? You said that it's not on Laravel. For example, we have listing page on Laravel. Could you show me where is the listing page? This is the home controller, right? Where is the listing controller? Which our system, on our system, which not home page,
Have
listing
any
page.
controller? They have. We have only worked on view file, not in controller. Okay, so see, there is a catalog list section. They are calling this block local select, catalog search, basket mini, catalog filter, catalog session, and catalog list. Okay, so this is the main section. Okay, catalog list. If you wanted to find more in details about catalog list, then simply you have to go through their extension folder here. Client HTML will contain all everything. See here. Can you see that?
Mhm.
So this section belongs to here from this area.
Okay, for body list, as I understand, right? We need to, for example, focus where they are showing the product on the body list.
There are different things. Body standard is common. Header standard here. Body list is like calling body standard as well. Body list is a common component which you calling body standard. There is a item header standard. Okay, so this is not like as you are expecting in one file. They have written sub component in different files, and they are reusing it.
Right, before you explain it, could you open the website? I know you are third time explaining this situation. Could you open the website, please? Because you said that it's not on Laravel, that's why. Yes, Alt 2. This is the, when we are opening, this is the home controller, which in the our source file, right? Source folder. This is the home controller.
This is a home controller coming from this section. Because we have written this in custom way in
Yes,
Laravel.
this is the home controller PHP, okay, which we are
Yeah.
opening. Am I correct? Yes. So when we are going to this, the listing page.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's coming from Aimeos. Okay, so Aimeos routing. Now, if you are saying to identify like how does it works, then there is a file routes dot. See, here is it. You need to go through all like how they have written their routing system. See,
This is the routes PHP under the config. I can't see where is
this
this
is
file.
like default is under vendor Aimeos Laravel source routes. Okay.
This is not under our sources, right?
No,
So
we have not touched this area because this is like default functionality. See, you can see here M default, okay,
this
and
is
here
written on Laravel or pure PHP. This is the pure PHP.
this is not like core PHP or neither Laravel. They have written their skeleton structure, okay.
Yes, you said that. So how is showing on Laravel this? Which page is going to taking this information and showing on Laravel?
So how can I explain you? Either I need to learn each and everything in Aimeos, like how what is their structure and how they are working. All I can tell you about like how their template works, where we have worked on. So here we found like this is the template they have followed for uh, different pages. Okay, so
Uh-huh.
we have modified our code. Hello.
Yes, Raj, we are listening.
Yeah, sorry, actually there was some conflict.
It's
Okay,
okay.
so what I'm saying, this is like template section we have worked on for any changes in existing design. Okay,
Mhm.
suppose you are saying to make it like 30,000. So see, it's something like, okay, either we have to add this star, or we have to make some changes in name, or we have to add this section. Okay, so we have worked here. Okay,
Mhm.
we have not touched their controller. But if anybody, either Ahmed or any developer will go through this functionality, then they will get to know like how it is working. They have already defined everything, like what is the path of controller, what is the path of action, what is the path of config. Okay, so see, so it's their standard structure. That's why I'm saying if we have to work in a style of Aimeos, then we need to know like what is their skeleton structure we have to follow.
So when you edit these stars, you change their source file, or I try to get this information, Raj. Where did you add these stars? Okay, you put the
Sorry.
because you changed their listing page. Am I right? You add something. You work on CSS.
Yeah, so see, I'm showing you something. So see, suppose here it's written. See, there are different component placed in different places. Okay, so we can't get at single place. Even I need to find it.
Okay, so if we will get the update, so our template will not works because only we will save the home page, not listing page, right? It will be override listing page.
Sorry, come again.
If we will take updates, any updates from Aimeos, so
Yeah, so
our listing page will override. Am I right?
will not get up. This section will not get updated. Okay,
Hmm.
only whenever you will take update, vendor section will get updated.
Only vendor will be updated. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
But this file is under the vendor, right? When you are working right now for listing. Am I right? Because you said this is taken from the listing page under the vendor.
Ali, you are not getting me. Still, you
But
are
you
not.
duplicated the vendor, so we are working under the source vendor, right? Our vendor, not their vendor. Okay.
This is like a standard vendor, whatever like dependency getting downloaded from internet, it's uploaded here only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the second thing is like if we go to resource section, we have copied this area. See, you can see one
Ah,
more.
okay. So,
So we have extended their template here. Okay.
uh-huh.
And then their internal functionality is written under extension folder.
Okay.
Okay, so see here I have taken templates backup. This is like their original template. Okay,
Okay.
and we had worked on this. Got it?
Okay, Raj, because homepage, why I am asking you too much questions. Same, I know this is the third time you are explaining same thing. Because homepage is written like manual, okay? It doesn't work. We asked the Aimeos. They are very slow, and we have no Laravel developer, okay? Which code from Laravel, which one
So
is?
I'm telling you here, it's a very simple and straight work. Okay, so I already cleared. Like we have followed whatever you are saying. See, whatever they have explained, adopt your controller. Okay, we followed the same. Everything is same. Okay, but the thing is here we have to get this section dynamically, correct? This section.
Yes.
So there is a two approach to get it dynamic. One, either I can simply write a simple script, something like this, okay, and get listing, okay, or another way, like we have to create proper Aimeos style blocks, okay. See, suppose for local they have created proper block, proper controller model function, everything, okay. So that might work.
But you didn't try, right? So because the one of the question, they think that maybe you try, it doesn't work. That's why you just choose this way. They need to try this,
What?
right?
Yeah, you need to try it. Okay. So here already I'm calling component. Okay. And see, there is a two section which is written custom. Okay, for future product, for recommended product. If there is a way you can write a proper block, then everything will be perfect. That's the same question I asked to Aimeos. Either they can tell us like what parameters should I capture here, or how we can make a like custom, dynamic content. See, what they have written here is a very basic stuff. Okay, and we already did everything.
Okay, Raj, this take the names. Could you go to the homepage, our homepage again, please?
Yeah.
Website, I mean, www.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, is taking the English name. You see, could you show me which code base taking the name? If for you not difficult.
This one, this section. If you print this section, okay, you will get all those details. This section only. So, okay, I'll show you like where it's getting rendered. Okay.
Yes, because we need to at least show in Russian. Okay, this is taking English name.
No, see here is like blade file where it has written everything. Okay. So here you can see this one is for blocks banner section, and this one is for feature product. Okay. So here is like loop going on, and it's picking ID, preview, label. This one is label. Okay. This one is title.
So this is the taken from the default label. How we will understand this is English? We need to show Russian.
Here only, if I know like how to fetch language specific parameter, then why should I ask you? That's the main question. If I can get language, then accordingly I can get specific label for specific language.
No,
This
this is dynamically, maybe you don't know, but maybe static you know, right? That's why I ask you. What's the
no,
difference?
there is nothing like static. Where is static? It's coming dynamically.
Because yesterday Ahmed said that you written like English, I mean manual language, and Euro also static. It wasn't
That,
dynamic on.
that's the main question. I just wanted to see like where we have written in. Uh, okay, so here you have provided what is the file? Frontend.blade.php, right?
Yes.
Line number 122.
Raj, I can't you hear well. Your voice go down.
Yes, yes. Is it
Ah,
fine now?
same.
Let me disconnect and connect again.
Gülsüm Hanım anlıyor musunuz dediklerini?
Ali Bey bu kodlarda hani nasıl yazdığını ben zaten mesela bir şey arıyorsam ya resources'ın altında views'e gidiyorum
Evet.
ya da o EXT'nin altındakilere gidiyorum. Yani orada aramaya çalışıyorum.
Evet, yani buradaki structure aslında Raj anlattı. Raj, are you with us?
Yes, I'm just opening whatever you have highlighted in. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here I can see drop menu now link. Okay, I'm coming here. Aimeos shop account. First name. Okay. So resource vendor. Here is our file. Set default dot Aimeos shop account.
Yes, this is the, you see, this is 90. Line 90. It's
Yeah, I'm here. Wait. Let me show you. See, what is written, like there is nothing related to, like this is a URL on the top header. Okay. Here we are talking about this section. Okay.
uh-huh,
This is coming dynamically. We are talking about only this section. Okay.
uh-huh.
So there is two things. One is profile, one is logout. So we have placed profile link. Okay. So what we did, I just placed this URL. Okay. There is, it is not related to like what I have written there. Forget about that. Even I can hide each and everything. It works. It will work. So simply I have provided a link and nothing else.
No, Raj, I'm not in, we are not saying the same places. Could you go open the again home page? We
Yes,
are not
yes. Wait. I'm just checking. Wait. So you have highlighted here currency UR. Okay.
yes.
Line number 122. Line number 122. In my code, line number 122 is not available. Anyway, let me find it. Currency.
This is the front end blade, Raj. Yes, same place. And maybe Ahmed, not same places. Maybe he's adding because you are not checking the same place. I mean, he has got another code.
So
No.
see, for URL, there is nothing related to like dynamic. Okay.
Yes, it's not dynamic. That's why I'm asking you, Raj. Maybe
Yes.
the name also not dynamic. Okay, we change here like rubble, and it's just showing rubble because I want to just at least open like in Russian name, currency, kind of things. That's why I'm saying you edited this link.
Wait. It's not related to. Oh, Ali. Either you can connect with Ahmed. See, if I'm clicking here, then it's changing. Can you see that URL? This URL is different. Okay. We are talking about like this section.
I'm not talking about there, Raj. Okay, can you go down, please? A bit. Homepage. No. Just go homepage. You see that here is the showing the euro. You see, and we
So,
change. This is
oh,
the
Ali,
under the
wait. Let me. You are creating a little confusion. See, if you are talking about front end, okay, front end
yes,
code,
yes,
then
front end.
it's a header. It's a header section. Okay, it is not related to body section.
But we also changed the body section, Raj. That's why I'm saying I'm not talking header section. I'm talking about the body section.
Let me finish it. Let me
Yes,
finish it.
please. Yes, please. Sorry.
If you are talking about front end section, then front end section contain only footer area and header area. Okay. And
Mhm.
middle section is written in each block, which is coming dynamically. Now, coming back to this section on home page.
Yeah.
Okay. This section is product section, which we have done using our Laravel approach,
Uh-huh.
which I told you here. Okay.
Yes.
Where we are not able to capture current language and current currency. Okay. That's why we are showing things in English only, default.
But our is not English default. Right now we changed the Russian, but still showing in English. It's not default, Rush.
Default in the sense I have written this in default. Then how it will be Russian? How it will be in Russian? If I can detect that language, then there is no issue. See, if
Okay, could you just give me 2 seconds? I will show you what I mean. Ahmet, abi dinliyor musun?
Ben dinliyorum, evet hocam.
Raj, can you give me 2 seconds, please? Şimdi Raj diyor ki bu buranın default language'den geliyor diyor Ahmet hocam. Tamam mı? Bizim Toolbar mıydı bu SwordPress 2 Toolbar biz buraya
Evet, evet. Aha.
bir onu gösterebilir misiniz sizin ekranda? Ben şey yapayım. Raj, let me share my screen.
Hi Raj.
Hi Ahmed, how are you?
Thanks.
Şimdi bu neydi? Palto dot not Toolbar hoster. Oh, Benim 6 dakika sonra bir toplantıya girmem lazım.
Şimdi ben bir paylaşım verdim mi? Yok.
Şimdi siz vereceksiniz. Şurası değil mi hocam? Biz burayı hangi şeyde yaptığımızı Raja gösterebilir misin? Raj,
Tamam.
see that.
Hı.
This is
Screen share.
Again, I'm saying this section is written in default language, which is English. Okay, and we have not detected any language like whether Russian, French, any other language. Again, I'm saying as I shared you, like in homepage we have simply fetched those products which belongs to that category, and we are simply showing that level. Okay, so it doesn't it don't related to like language detail. I mean language preference.
Okay, in admin panel, this is the default. Maybe I don't understand what does the default mean. For me, default, when I'm going to admin, there is a locale, and then it is the Ahmet. This is Ali.
Have not made any language specific changes in homepage. Okay, this is a custom written purely in English. That's it. Okay, and if you talk about like header and footer, if you have any concern, then I can answer you all of your question.
Ahmet, kendi ekranı gösterebilir misin Ahmet hocam? Ben göstereyim.
Tamam. Hangi kısmı?
Şu alt tarafta eklediniz ya, ruble eklediniz.
Bir dakika.
Hangi sektöden geliyor? Diyor ki o normal default language'den geliyor diyor. Version söyledi.
Gelmesi gerekiyor anlamında mı?
Evet. Biz default'u zaten Rusça yapmadık mı?
Evet. Rusça yaptığımız halde şeyden gelmiyordu. Rusçadan gelmiyordu. O yüzden şeyi değiştirdik. Oradaki kodu değiştirdik.
Biz elle rub yazdık. Aslında
biz de manuel yaptık.
sayısı, hani rakam var ya oradaki price.
Evet.
Şeye bakmak lazım. Acaba doları mı gösteriyor, rubleyi mi gerçekten gösteriyor?
Şurada şu 200 mü?
Evet. Mesela bunun karşılığı ne bizde? Okay, Raj, we will again try to understand what we are showing. Okay, as I understand, we are the same places. Okay, Ahmet Hocam, biz bunun üzerinde biraz anlattı. Ben yapacağım, size şeyi göstereceğim. Onun yapıyı, aslında bildiğiniz yapı, Raj'ın. Kuvvetle muhtemelen Raj'dan bir şey çıkmayacak bize. Buradan bir yere varamayacağız. Zaten ben de bilmiyorum o sizin söylediğiniz şeyi.
Akşam ben 5'e kadar falan baktım hocam diğer konuya. Bir şey sorsam ben Raj'a, aslında o büyük ihtimalle biliyordur. Ona cevap verebilir mi acaba?
Bilmiyorum.
Yol gösterme açısından.
Tamam.
Şimdi şu mesela Resurgence'da işte home blade'imiz var.
Evet.
Pardon. Bu ben neredeyim? Değişiklik yaptığım yerdeyim. Hatta oradan göstereyim. Şimdi o dün çalıştığım yer, sizin verdiğiniz ekran vardı ya, dokümantasyon.
Evet.
Ona göre mesela ben bu My Home Blade'in içerisine şeyler yerleştirdiğim zaman o hani Shop PHP'de tanımlıyorduk ya, neler gösterilsin bu sayfada diye.
Evet.
Onlar geliyor. Şuradan çekiyor, otomatik olarak getiriyor.
Exactly, that's the same thing I'm saying. See, whatever screen you are showing, I think this is like component, and you can write this component as a, like, in Aimeos style. So that will be called dynamically, correct?
Yes, he's saying it's called dynamically, but he has got a small question. He trusts your experience. He wants to just ask one little thing, if you don't mind.
Pardon. Şunu nasıl oraya aktarabiliriz? Ben hemen teste geri dönüyorum. Resurges. view bizim home bileğimiz. Üzerine yazsın. Bu ürün şeyinin olduğu kısım, bölüm. Bizde ürünlerin gösterildiği bölüm. Bunu burada şu şekilde döngüsü nerede bunun? Bir yerdeydi, hemen ona da bakayım. For döngüsü vardı içerisinde. Şurada. FP. Şurada döngüyle biz oluşturuyoruz. Şu döngünün içindeki kısmı şu partial'dan nasıl getirebilirim?
Right.
Create HTML template. Yani buradan gelse o Raj'ın dediği gibi default değerlerle gelecek zannediyorum ben, tahmin tabii de. İşte bu yani atıyorum burada bir tanesinden oluşturup buradan oraya nasıl getirebilirim?
Yani JavaScript'te PHP'de nasıl gösterebilirim konusu değil mi hocam?
Evet, yani burada oluşturmayayım ben. Bu şeyin içerisinde normal o diğerleri gibi şu kısımdan çağırayım bunu.
Ha, bu şimdi biz JavaScript'in içinde oluşturmuşuz. Diyorsun ki
Şeyin içerisinde oluşturmuyoruz. Java değil de PHP'nin içerisinde oluşturuyoruz biz.
ama siz diyorsunuz ki Java'dan çağırayım ben orayı.
Şeyden yok, Java ile değil de şeyden çağırayım. Gene oluşma esnasında partias veyahut da işte o client HTML'in içerisinden nasıl çağırabiliriz? Yani şunlarda olduğu gibi mesela şunlar şuradan çağırıyor. Bu buradan çağırıyor mesela. Select neredeydi o? Bakın. Lokale select buradan çağırıyor. Catalogization buradan çağırıyor. Basket mini aynı şekilde buradan çağırıyor. Diyorum ki ben bunu da buradan çağırayım.
Hocam diyor, ben bu yapıyı takip etmedim, kendime göre bir yapı yaptım diyor. Ahmet'in başladığı yol doğru ve böyle çalışacaktır diyor aslında.
Ha,
Öyle bir şey diyor,
anladım.
doğru yolda diyor.
Biz
Okay, Raj, Ahmet start to follow structure of Aimeos, okay? I will explain all details again, which you explained to me. He will just ask you, I think, for dynamic after show in this JavaScript to the on Laravel. After that, I will share with you like a video or a PDF, okay? If you have time, you will tell. If you don't know, you say, I don't know. Okay? So, Ahmet Hocam yapalım. Bilginle bakalım bu konuya. Raj'la sonra takip ederiz bunu, olur mu? Ben şimdi saat 1'de bir Amazon bu hosting konusu var. Onunla ilgili bir toplantı yapmam lazım. Bu video kaydını yollayacağım. Gülsün Hanım buradaydı zaten. Beraber bir izlersiniz. Size anlatmaya gayret eder. Sonra tekrar beraber de izleriz aslında. Bildiğiniz yapıyı Raj tekrar anlatırız aslında.
Tamam o zaman.
Bu soruyu da soracağım ben hocam şimdi tekrar.
Yani çünkü ben dün bayağı bir ilerlettim. Yaptım. Bir noktada takıldım. Onu aslında o Laravel ile de ilgili değil. Bunun buradaki döngülerde kullanılacak datalarla ilgili. Yani mesela ürün listesini oluşturup orada çekemedim. O sizin söylediğiniz diğer arkadaş büyük ihtimalle o konuyu gösterir, anlatır bize, daha net anlarız. Yani çok Raj ile ilgili olmayan bir konuydu yani kaldığım yer.
Bence de öyle olacak hocam. Raj, thank you so much. Okay. Şeyi de kapatmışız bu arada. O zaman hocam bu şeyi bitiriyorum. Station'ı. Videoyu
Hello.
Yes.